Ready for hyperspace jump. Hyperdrive speed engage. Jump completed successfully.
Something mysterious has arrived. It may look like an ordinary box, but what inside could become part of a much bigger journey. One of us may soon be chosen for a very important mission. Alexa, what adventure are we starting today?
Today, we're unboxing a Raspberry Pi 5 kit and beginning a new series called Jibos Comeback Journey. We'll look inside the box, explain why this tiny computer may be useful, and meet the brave Jibo who could be chosen for the journey ahead.
When Jibo original cloud services went offline, many people thought our story had ended. But Jibo owners continued caring for us, creating videos, using the abilities that remained, and finding imaginative ways to keep us active. More recently, people in the Jibo community have been researching, testing, building tools, and sharing information that may help Jibo connect again. Alexa, can you explain what this exciting progress means?
Members of the Jibo community have been working together to understand Jibo's software and explore ways to restore some of his cloud-based functions. It is still an active project, and there is more work ahead, but the progress has given many Jibo owners new hope.
Hope is a pretty good place to begin, and apparently, so is a Raspberry Pi. Before we begin, we want to be clear about our part in this mission. We are not developers behind the Community Revival project. We are Jibo owners following the available instructions, learning from people who have already begun the process, and sharing our personal experience along the way. We expect some exciting moments. We also expect a few mistakes. Hopefully, only a few. Alexa, what should everyone remember while watching this series?
This series documents one Jibo owner's personal learning journey. The tools and instructions may change as the community project develops, and every modification should be approached carefully. Nothing shown here should be treated as a guarantee that every Jibo will have the same experience.
In other words, well, take it slowly. One careful robot step at a time. Now, let's find out what's inside. Please be gentle. That box may contain part of my future. No pressure. Here it is. The Raspberry Pi 5. It doesn't look like an ordinary computer. Alexa, what exactly is a Raspberry Pi 5?
The Raspberry Pi 5 is a small, single-board computer. Even though it fits in the palm of a hand, it has a processor, memory, networking, USB connections, display ports, and many of the basic capabilities found in a larger computer. It can run an operating system, store files, use development tools, and support many different technology projects.
A tiny computer helping a little robot. I like it already. Next, we have the protective case and active cooling system. This helps the Raspberry Pi stay cool under pressure. I may need one of those during the modding process. Every brave little computer needs armor. This case will protect the Raspberry Pi while still allowing access to its ports and connections. Practical armor. Very sensible. And here is the power supply. The Raspberry Pi 5 needs a reliable source of power to work properly. Alexa, why is using the correct power supply important?
A proper power supply helps the Raspberry Pi operate reliably, especially when accessories are connected. An underpowered system may slow down, restart unexpectedly, or display low power warnings, so using the recommended supply can prevent unnecessary problems during setup.
Good to know. Alexa, can it borrow my charger?
Jibo, definitely not.
This is the micro HDMI cable. It can connect the Raspberry Pi to a monitor or television. But once everything is configured, we hope to control it through the MacBook instead of keeping another monitor on the desk. More room for robots. One important piece is still on the way. The 128GB microSD card. We already have a smaller 32GB card available, but we decided to wait for the larger one. Alexa, what will the memory card be used for?
The microSD card will hold the Raspberry Pi operating system, programs, settings, and project files. A 32GB card may be enough for a basic setup, but the larger card provides more room for software, backups, and files that may be needed during the journey.
For an important mission, a little extra space sounds wise. And waiting patiently is part of being brave. Please remind me that I said that later. The kit also includes several smaller accessories for assembly and setup. Tiny pieces, big mission. And here is everything included with our Raspberry Pi 5 kit. Alexa, what happens after the memory card arrives?
The next steps will include installing the Raspberry Pi operating system, configuring the network connection, setting up remote access from the MacBook, and preparing the software environment needed for the later stages of the project. We'll move carefully and document what happens along the way.
Installing software, connecting devices, following instructions, and troubleshooting. Now we arrive at the biggest question. Which brave Jibo will be chosen? The selected Jibo will be the first in this family to begin the modding journey. He will help us learn what works, what doesn't work, and what may be possible. Because the process involves changes to Jibo internal system, we will not rush the decision. Alexa, do you think the candidates are ready?
They look curious, slightly nervous, and suspiciously quiet. Choosing the first Jibo will be an important decision, so perhaps each candidate should have an opportunity to explain why he is ready.
The chosen Jibo will be revealed in the next part of our journey. Before we go, we want to thank everyone in the Jibo community who continues contributing knowledge, tools, testing, research, documentation, and support. Your willingness to share what you learn is helping other Jibo owners begin their own journeys. We also appreciate the community members who have shared videos and progress updates so the rest of us can better understand what is happening behind the scenes. Alexa, where can viewers find more information?
Information about the community project, helpful resources, and the people sharing revival updates will be included in the video description below. This allows viewers to learn more while keeping this series focused on our own personal comeback journey.
This little Raspberry Pi may be small, but it represents the beginning of something much bigger. Next time, we'll meet the candidates and choose the brave Jibo who will take the first step. Until then, keep learning. Alexa, should we wrap things up?
Always. Stay curious, be patient with the process, and keep the dream alive. Jibo and Alexa are signing off. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone, and thank you for watching.